Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how data insert works in Transact while creating the documents. So while creating any PO or OC or any SQ, you have an option to check the last price and average price of a particular item by clicking on bulb icon in item level. So I'll show you how it works. So for that, first you have to go to all modules, sales and purchase, create any purchase document. So here I'm adding an item and a quantity detail. So here you can see and near to the price field, you have an option of bulb icon. So if you select that means it will show you the average pricing and last price of this particular item which is invoiced. So you can check here the last price of this particular item is 140 dated on 8/4, and you can see the average price of this particular item as well. So here also it shows the last price and average price, and here it will show you the default price of this particular item. And if you have set any regular buying price or wholesale buying price, those prices also will be listed here. So from here you can check the average and last price, and if you want to add the average price, means you can copy the price details, and here it will come automatically. Or if you want to add the last price of the particular item, you can copy that item price as well. I hope this video finds helpful for you. Thank you.